These samosas are wonderful for a snack or a light meal. And as a bonus, this samosa will take you a fraction of the time compared to your traditional recipe. And the secret is, we'll be using rice paper. And this, combined with our gluten-free crumb coating, creates a beautifully crispy texture. Without further ado, let's get into the recipe. For the filling, you'll need potatoes. Here I used red Desiree potatoes. They are very versatile and hold their shape well in a samosa. You'll need half a cauliflower, and I'll show you how I prepare mine in a moment. You'll also need a roughly chopped onion, minced garlic, minced ginger, 1 green chilli, fresh coriander, curry leaves, lemon juice. We really enjoy making content for you, and to help our channel along, please remember to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. For the spices, you'll need cumin seeds, fennel seeds, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, frozen peas, and salt to taste. First, peel and chop up your potatoes. Then boil until they're cooked all the way through, but just enough so they hold their shape. With the cauliflower, I basically shave it using my knife. And you can certainly do this with a food processor. These thinly cut pieces will cook faster and will distribute more evenly throughout the filling. When your non-stick pan is nice and hot, add your cumin seeds and your fennel seeds. Toast until they become lovely and golden brown and fragrant. The dry roasting is really important because it allows the flavours to be released from the spices. Add your curry leaves, chopped onions, fresh coriander, then add your garlic, ginger and chilli. If you have a palate for spicier flavours, then leave the seeds in. Otherwise, you can remove some or all of the seeds. Add water to deglaze the pan. This is a really important part in oil-free cooking because what you're doing is you're releasing all the lovely caramelized pieces that are at the bottom of the pan. And this really adds to the overall flavor of the dish. Then add your cauliflower, your peas, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and mix well. Add the lemon juice. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Stir and cover, then allow to cook for about 15 minutes. And stirring occasionally in that time. Then add your cooked potatoes. Stir to combine all the ingredients. Then cover and cook for about 5 minutes. Then add your salt and mix. Crush your ingredients together using a wooden spoon or your masher. Then allow your filling to completely cool before you move on to the next step. As you can see, I further mashed the mix, but still kept it quite textured. For wrapping the samosa, you'll need rice paper, gluten-free cornflakes, which you'll need to crush into a fine crumb similar to breadcrumbs. You'll also need warm water to soak your rice paper. Here I've got my station all ready for wrapping the samosas. I'm going to show you the process in real time so it's easier for you to follow along. Fully submerge the rice paper for about 6 seconds. Then I carefully cut the rice paper in 2 halves. I'll then take 2 generous tablespoons full of mix and shape the mix into a triangle, allowing enough room around the perimeter of the mix so we can seal the edges. Then I'll fold it over once, adjusting the shape of the samosa as I go, gently pushing the mix into the corners. Then I'm going to fold it over again, this time applying more pressure to the ends to help seal them off. Then fold over the last piece, pressing the edges to completely seal off the samosa. Generously coat in the cornflake crumb. I'm going to run through the process again for you in real time so you can see how my technique improves, and you'll also find that you get a lot faster. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 25 minutes or until golden brown. These samosas feel like a real treat, but without the guilt. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. For the full recipe and many other recipes, check out our website.